the winner. Ali was an Apatosaurus dinosaur. She had a long massive neck, a huge bulky body, and was relatively slower than all others because of her weight. A herbivore, she never had to chase or hunt another dinosaur and was quite calm and peace-loving. Amongst all her friends, she was the only Apatosaurus, and her friends had lately started making fun of her for being slow and so humongous. But Ali was undeterred. One day, they all decided to race to declare the fastest amongst the lot, and all took part in it. Ali too ran, though slower than the rest, but when it was time for a winner to be declared, Ali was there. With her long neck, she had reached the finish line before anyone else. We should all be like Ali, never letting snide comments dim our light, and continue being ourselves. We all will come out winners in our own ways. The Explorer. Albert was an adventurous and intelligent Albertosaurus dinosaur. He loved exploring and discovering new places and things. Each morning, he'd look out his cave and wish to climb the snow-capped mountains across the forest he lived in, but would be discouraged by all others. They'd say that it was too hard, too cold, or too far. But nothing could discourage Albert. One morning, he decided to climb the mountains. After days of hard struggle, he reached the mountain top, only to be amazed by what he saw on the other side. A whole new dinosaur civilization. Albert met them all and then returned and informed everyone of the new dinosaurs he met, and they all scaled the mountains to do the same. Everyone appreciated Albert and realized that in life, exploration was as important as being comfortable. Embrace what makes you. Jonty was a Pegomastax dinosaur. He had fang-like teeth and bristles all over his body. A mere 2 feet, Jonty was small, and his bristles made him look not so pleasing to the eye. Whenever he saw other dinosaurs with perfect, scaly bodies and big, sharp teeth, he'd want to pull off his bristles but couldn't. He was envious of others all the time. One evening, as he walked home from the darker part of the forest, he felt someone was following him. Sensing danger, he started to run and was soon certain that a bigger dinosaur was chasing him to hunt. Jonty suddenly stopped and turned to face the danger. And just then, the dinosaur jumped on him. But Jonty's bristles poked the dinosaur everywhere. Injured, he left Jonty alone and left screaming in pain. Jonty thanked his features lot. Overcoming fears. Once upon a time, in a deep forest, lived a small family of Edmontosaurus dinosaurs. Edmontosaurus dinosaurs were large and strong. They ate just plants and shrubs and lived together in large groups. The youngest in the group, Billy, was a naughty dinosaur who loved to play with his friends. One day, as Billy was playing near a lake, one of his friends fell into the water and was struggling to keep his head above the surface. Billy was scared of water and never used to go near it. But seeing his friend in danger, he jumped right in. After a lot of struggle, Billy finally managed to rescue his drowning friend. Once out of water, the friend thanked Billy, and everyone in their large family was filled with pride that Billy overcame his fears and showed immense courage when it was the most necessary.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.